This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade creme brulee. Start by gathering eggs, heavy cream, sugar, vanilla, and a torch or broiler for caramelizing. I'll guide you through tempering eggs, baking in a water bath for even cooking, chilling for proper set, and finishing with a crisp caramel top. Follow my timing tips and watch for that delicate wobble so you get silky custard every time. Begin with simple, high-quality ingredients for the best results. I recommend heavy cream and real vanilla for a rich, authentic taste. Measure sugar and yolks carefully and warm the cream until it steams but does not boil. Slowly temper the yolks to avoid scrambling, then strain the custard to ensure smoothness. Pour into ramekins, cover, and bake in a water bath until the centers gently wobble. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, confident scent on the drive home, and it pairs strangely well with dessert pride. I tossed one in my car after a long bake and smiled the whole ride. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I'll share key baking tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Low, steady heat in a water bath gives a silky texture without curdling. Cool the ramekins completely so the custard sets properly and the sugar crisps without melting into the custard. For the caramel top, a torch gives control and a glossy finish, while a quick broil works if you watch closely to prevent burning and uneven spots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.